What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, August 5th, 2019. Bitcoin making moves. I want to talk about this price action. Before we do, to lay some groundwork, check out this quick clip from August 1st. This is kind of the pattern I'm looking for to enter the bull market, right? Is it going to happen so soon? Is it going to happen the beginning of August? Are we going to continue to the upside here, break through this, and hit our target to the upside out of this falling wedge, which would be breaking through this channel here, this long-term Fibonacci retracement channel? And there you have it. I guess we have our answer which way Bitcoin decided to break. And now we have some very interesting things to look at on the charts in terms of patterns, in terms of momentum. So let's jump into the charts and check this out. Bitcoin currently, since I did that video, up, I would say around 15, a little more than 15% since I did that video back here on August 1st. I think I don't remember the clip now I'm recording this video, but I think it was like 10,100 or something. So Bitcoin made a move, and we made a move to the upper trend line of this falling wedge. This is that bullish falling wedge we've been watching. It's taken some time, right? We had this swing high back here, July 20th, to a swing low down here, July 27th, and we had a Fibonacci retracement to break through. This was our first step, right? And if I chart this for you real quick, our first step was right here, 10,700 down to 10,300. We broke through that area. We broke through the confluent area of the 50 moving average on the daily chart. And now Bitcoin is currently just below and testing the upper trend line of this actual pattern. So we made our way to the upper trend line. Now, we see this all the time with Bitcoin. Bitcoin makes awesome moves, right? And then people get excited. And really all it's doing, say back here, 35%, 40% moves, all it's doing is putting in a lower high. So please be careful for that right now. A lower high scenario, right? So we have our swing high. Everybody remembers that back at end of June, lower high. Are we getting another lower high now? I'm not saying we are, but please be careful because, you know, this is the exact definition of people getting too excited and then they begin buying the top of these swings. So be careful there. But in the bullish scenario that we do break out of our falling wedge here, this would be Bitcoin breaking to the upside and breaking to this Fibonacci retracement channel. This is a doorway to the bull market. I'm going to zoom out in the charts real quick just to give you an idea. This is what we've been tracking on this channel. The bull market high, 2017, down to the bull market low, right, 2018. Here's our Fibonacci channel, the 618 to 786. Same exact thing happened back in 2013 to 2015, bull market to bear market. This is what it took Bitcoin to break through these bull market doors. Is it going to happen this soon? This is what we talked about in the video the other day. We've made strides to get here at least. The question is it a lower high taking place right now or not? We can get some clues if we go over on the daily, a little zoomed in on the momentum oscillators here. So the middle of the screen here is the RSI, a slower moving momentum oscillator, to give you some context to where Bitcoin is. How much strength does it have right now? Well, you can see still looking quite healthy on the RSI here. And to give you some background, you can see when we're in that overbought area, this is the area where you really have to be careful for Bitcoin. This is the area where we saw first resistance at this key Fibonacci area, the doorway to the bull market. We're not there right now, right? We're still down here. We're not even in that overbought territory. Where we are, if you take this area, right, 60, 70 area, we're back here, right around here, right before we made our run to that key Fibonacci area. And there can be clues there saying this might happen again, right? So 60, 70 on the 60, 65 on the RSI here, we had upward momentum. Interestingly enough, right around this area, we were just approaching that overbought on the stock RSI, right down here. This momentum oscillator, the quicker moving momentum oscillator, very similar things happening right now on these momentum oscillators. A bullish indicator is a little bit of a difference when we look at the MACD. The MACD. Check this out. Not even at zero on the histogram down here in terms of this MACD line. We got the MACD crossing that line, that signal line, back on August 1st when I did that last video. But check out the MACD line, just approaching 0 on the histogram. And then in terms of these green bars we have and the movement of this momentum, exact synergy as we had back in this area, right? Boom, boom, and then right here. We're getting that upward momentum. MACD line still has some ways to go in terms of potential to break out of this pattern that we have right here on the charts. So long story short, there is a ton of room in terms of Bitcoin momentum to continue this. One thing I would anticipate, one thing I am anticipating is this. We've had some, nice green daily candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green daily candles. Will we get resistance at this upper trend line? What do we look for if we do get resistance there? Well, what I would do is I would take that swing high or the swing low that we just had to that swing high potential right now. If it's happening, if we get resistance here, this could change in the next hour, right? We'd be moving this line up, but wherever we do get resistance, you want to take this Fibonacci for potential retracement, right? To put in a higher low, maybe somewhere down here, $9,600 down to 10.1, right? So that's something to look for. Another bullish indicator I do want to throw out there is this. Bitcoin, before making this move, did not put in a lower low. We were anticipating potentially around $8,500 in this falling wedge. It did not happen. That is a great sign. We actually had a higher low from this previous swing low on July 17th. So Bitcoin is definitely looking healthy, but please just keep in the back of your mind, potential patience might be in play if we see resistance in this area. Right now, in the very short term, if I'm looking at this daily chart, we can change it to a 4-hour. It doesn't look much different in terms of where we are. We're at a key resistance area, this upper trend line. That's what I'm looking for, is Bitcoin getting ready to break through 12,000. If it does, then we have some very bullish potential to break into this Fibonacci channel and start discussing, are we about to break down the door of the bull market? Let me know your thoughts below. If you're here right now and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. I really appreciate you coming by. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.